Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. So, guys, 3 days ago, I updated my Samsung Galaxy S23 FE to August update, and I'm using this update since like 3 days now. So, in this video, I will do a review of this update. Is there any fix after this update, or if there are any other issues after doing this update in Samsung Galaxy S23 FE? So, I will do a camera review, like performance review, etc. etc. Okay, so without further delay, let's get started. So obviously, as I told you, I'm using this update since like 3 days now, and I have opened every single settings after doing this update in my Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, but I did not notice any changes or any new feature in this update. And guys, thankfully, there is no green line after this update. My phone is pretty safe, and in internet and YouTube, I searched lot of videos like videos or news. Is there any green line after doing August update in Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, but I did not find any complaint. So I think this update is safe to update. There will be no green line after doing this update. So now let's talk about phone performance after August update. So obviously in normal uses, the phone is performing fine. There is no issue. But I'm noticing that after 3-4 updates, especially One UI 7 update, the multitask has been downgraded. What I'm trying to say, let me explain you. If I open a multitask and if we go to a app, the previously open app, if, for example, YouTube, if I click on YouTube, you can see the app is refreshing again. So 2 minutes ago, I opened this app. So it must be open in background just like this, right? So that's the thing. The app are being closed if you're not using that app for 1 minute. Even if it's in running on background, the app are being closed because it's a smartphone. Obviously, it has around 8 GB of RAM. It should be open. Okay, so I think this is a downgrade in multitask. But overall, while using normally the phone is fine. But yeah, I noticed that in multitask the phone has been downgraded. So now let's talk about heating. As you all know, S23 FE has some serious heating issue. So I played some BGMI for like 15 to 10 minutes, and like 4 or 5 games I played, the phone start heating after 5 minutes. So obviously the heating is still there, and I recorded some 4K videos also. Phone started heating. So guys, the heating issue is still there, and I think it will be there always, because I think this heating issue is a hardware issue in Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. So now let's talk about battery backup. I'm getting that normal 3.5 hour of screen on time, sometimes 4 hour of screen on time. So the battery is same. But yes, after One UI 7 update, my for S23 FE battery has been decreased a lot. Before One UI 7 update, I used to get around 5 hour of screen on time in normal uses. But after One UI 7 update, and so after some security monthly updates, my S23 FE battery screen on time has been decreased from 5 hours to 3.5 hour of screen on time. At least I have lost 1 hour of screen on time in normal uses. So obviously in every update, the phone S23 FE battery is decreasing for sure. But after this August update, I did not notice any big changes. I'm getting the same battery life, just like a July update. Okay, but yes, as I told you that after One UI 7 update, my S23 FE battery has been decreased a lot. Now let's talk about camera. I have taken some photos and some videos. Let me show you. I think the camera is fine. The best thing about this phone is only camera. The battery is bad, there is heating issue, but the camera is pretty good in terms of the price range. The camera is very good in this phone, you can see. So this is the 1x photo. So you can see the detailing is still there. The still I think there is no changes, and this is the video, you can see. So there is no lagging while recording 4K videos. You can see I'm moving the camera. So the camera is fine after this update. And this is the portrait photo which I took outdoor. You can see the buds, the OnePlus buds. Okay, not that bud. Okay, and sorry for my pronunciation and my English. I'm trying my best to explain you guys. So, and this is my dog. You can see I took a photo outdoor. You can see the camera is pretty good, and I don't think there is any decrease in camera qualities. But yes, I did notice one thing: the camera has been sharp. Okay, previously it used to be very bright, which is not good. But there is pretty much sharpness. You can see if I zoom the photo also. You can clearly see my dog teeth. The camera has been improved because I am noticing there is pretty much more sharpness in photos. Okay, even after zooming the photo, and this photo I took inside. There was not much light, but yeah, you can see the photo is still pretty good. So guys, in terms of camera, I think there has been improvement, a small improvement. Maybe I notice, or maybe someone will not notice, but yeah, I think there is a small improvement after August update. So overall, this is a normal security update. There is no new feature, no new changes. Obviously, the security has been improved, and maybe they have optimized something, but I did not notice anything much. As I told you, a heating issue is still there. The battery is not that great, but yeah, the camera I told you, and I show you the images which I took after August update. All right. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching this video. If you have Samsung phones, please subscribe to my channel. And especially if you have Samsung Galaxy S23 series or S23 FE, do subscribe to my channel. I will be uploading a lot of videos regarding S23 series, update videos and tips and tricks videos, everything. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. If you have any questions, just comment below. I will definitely reply. Have a great day. Meet you in my next video. Take care.